hi guys, today we're going to do like a kind of special video because I've set up this and I've put a bunch of rabbits on there and wolves and stuff, and this is rabbits versus wolves. So I'll have to make them way through this obstacle course all the way through there and back again. So this is rabbits versus wolves. So let's first it's the wolves go. So let's get him. And oh yeah, we forgot to put him on follow mode. Oh, no, I mean up with the bow now. Oh, follow me. You're gonna make your way through this obstacle course. Oh, he came through the first one. Now you go there. Now come through here without going over the gates. Ooh, the wolves can't get through the gate. Now you'll have to come through the water. Now through this obstacle course. Okay. Now make your way through this trap door. Might have to block these bits off. Yeah, so make your way through this trapdoor, please. I'll just build it out a bit more. Make your way through here. Oh, that's another bad thing with the wolves, they won't do this. Try and make your way through this. There we go. And then eventually, now through this. Yep. And now through this bit. Okay. There's only two things that the wolves couldn't do there. Now let's test out the rabbits. Okay, let's put him back there. I'm gonna take this albino one. For a ride. Okay, now follow me. Now, can you make your way through here? Yep, made it through there. And the gate. So, rabbits. They can make their way through there. And the gate. There we go, that's good. So, they can do that and the wolves can't. So, the wolves couldn't have done two of them. Oh, the rabbit can't do one. There's one that the rabbit can't do. Okay, the rabbit can do the door. And the rabbit can through here. The rabbit can come through here and through here. That means the rabbit wins. So, the rabbits are the best mobs, well, best pets. Now, look, I'll just show you in here. This is my 5 Nights at Freddy's map. It's infested with bats, and I don't know why. It's really annoying. I might have to put a few more lights around. But look, there's Bonnie, Freddy, and Chica. And then over here, the pirate's coat with foxes in there. And then in here is in the diggy. Look. And then there's the endoskeletons down there. In fact, I'm gonna just add the lights in now. Actually, oh yeah, and the lights do work. Just use the sea lantern to hopefully stop them from spawning. I'll put it where that one is. Now we've done all of that, so hopefully they don't spawn. It's time for the mini game, and that is called shoot the bats down without hitting them. Time to get these ones. It's infested with bats, weirdly. I don't know why. Something in here. Hopefully that should sort. See, 2 spawn just then. Go. Okay. Let's get out before any of them spawn. Because if any more do spawn, that would be really annoying. So I'm going to end the episode off here. And goodbye.